This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura RL. It has a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine, a 5-speed automatic transmission, and all-wheel drive. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a navigation system, a power sunroof, heated front seats, a premium audio system, commercial-free satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and high-intensity discharge headlights. The following features are also included: memory settings for the seat's positions so you can recall your favorite alignment with the push of one button, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, leather seats, an electronic throttle, performance tires, a passenger side vanity mirror, rear impact crumple zones, a rear folding seat, and this vehicle has fewer than 30,000 miles on the odometer. This Acura has had only one owner, and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.
Acura of Seattle is located at 301 Baker Boulevard in Seattle. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.